Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Sora AI Video Generator. So let's just begin. So basically Sora is a text to video format AI platform where you simply type in your AI text, as you can see here, and then it is going to be converted into a video. So it is pretty easy. You can see we have this type of text prompt section here, or box, where you need to describe your video. You can see we have all of the instructions, and once you do, you can see it is going to be asking you for a couple of adjustments and resolution and stuff like that. And once you adjust, like for example the aspect ratio is 16:9, then we have 480p resolution, 5 seconds. And yeah, so once we generate that, you can see it is going to be having that. And yeah, so that is how simple it is to use Sora, and you can use different type of prompts to make your video enticing and good looking, and no rocket science here. And I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more.